Hi, I'm Holly Clegg, author of the cookbook, Eating Well to Fight Arthritis. In my arthritis cookbook, I have a whole chapter devoted to recipes that are high in antioxidants. After all, that's what helps to fight inflammation. Today, we're going to do a chicken cranberry pecan salad. Cranberries are such a rich source of the antioxidant vitamin C, and that's what's good for strong bones and helps you to reduce inflammation. Now, if you're suffering from joint pain, be sure and look in the grocery for pre-cut chicken or rotisserie chicken or pre-cut veggies. Make it easy on yourself. Let's get started. I know you're going to enjoy my chicken cranberry pecan salad. It's from my cookbook, Eating Well to Fight Arthritis. Not only is this salad flavorful, remember it's packed full of antioxidants, and that's what helps to fight inflammation. Remember, everybody's condition is different, so you always want to check with your doctor before you make any dietary changes. Now, let's eat.